When?
Here's Lila on October the 31st, 2011. She's 16 months old. Are you taking out the pumpkin guts? What's in there? Look, you gotta grab them like this. Oh! Plop. Well, you gotta take them out, not put them back in. They go out, not in. Look, you gotta take them out like this. Oh! Wow! Ooh, what do they feel like? Wanna hold these ones? What's this? Ooh, slimy. What's that? Is that pumpkin? Oh. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, I gotta take the pumpkin out. I'm taking it out and you're putting it in. That's a big pumpkin.
The process that Crown will follow will involve applying a target assessment standard as we
What's that? Is that pumpkin?
the case. Many of you may be aware that that applies, or that involves us
Do you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, Grandfather. Bye-bye.
with a substantial likelihood.
Happy Halloween!